In a rapidly evolving world, starting a business requires more than just a good idea. It demands strategic thinking and adaptability. Welcome to Launching Your Business in 2024, Strategies for Success in the Modern Market, where we explore the tools and techniques necessary to thrive in today's competitive landscape. Hello, entrepreneurs. And in this episode, we'll delve into the key strategies that can propel your business forward in 2024 and beyond. Innovation is crucial. You have to keep evolving to stay ahead of the curve. Building a strong online presence has been game-changing for us. It's all about reaching your audience where they are. From AI-driven analytics to blockchain technology, the possibilities are endless. But how can you leverage these tools effectively? Don't underestimate the power of data. It can provide valuable insights into consumer behavior and market trends. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with the right mindset and the right strategies, you can turn your business dreams into reality. Stay tuned for more insights and inspiration on launching your business in 2024, strategies for success in the modern market.